coming is a Sony PS4. It's a Sony PS4. The model designation on the circuit board is SAA-001. We're in the process of installing thermal paste. So in the process of installing thermal paste, we had to remove the whole entire circuit board. They call this a motherboard. And there's a processor that goes onto the heat sink. Here's the heat sink that draws all the thermal energy away from the processor, and it gets cooled down by this fan over here. So another problem, another symptom with this PS4 could be that the fan was stuck. Actually, it's better now, right? You clean it off? Yeah, so it's spinning a little bit more freely now, whereas before it may have needed a replacement fan. But Mr. Khan has put a little bit extra energy into it and cleaned off the fans, so now it's spinning a little bit more freely. So this should help out the customer. Customer his symptoms was that when he plugged in the Sony PS4, it would power on and play a few videos, but when they try to play any sort of games, it would just go into a thermal shutdown. You can see on the screen that says that it's getting too hot and the device will shut down. So hopefully this will solve the problem. It's taking approximately 2 hours right now to do. We've been servicing and working on it since 10 a.m. It's now about 12 p.m. So it's actually 3 hours going into it. So this repair process is getting close to 3 hours. We had a couple customers in between, but it definitely is a time-consuming type of repair. And so some of the processes that we had to do was we had to open it up and dust everything off. It was accumulated with lots of dust, and I'll have Mr. Khan include a few videos or include a few pictures of how dusty it was, so we can showcase it and include it into the YouTube blogs as well.